In this video, I will explain Trading 212 and how to change your email on Trading 212. Trading 212 is a fintech company democratizing the financial markets with free, smart, and easy-to-use apps that enable anyone to invest in stocks and ETFs. To change your email address on Trading 212, follow these steps. Option 1. Via the app or web platform. Log in to your Trading 212 account. Go to the menu 3 lines or your profile icon. Tap on Settings or Account Details. Look for the Email section. Note, you might not be able to change it directly from here. If there's no option to edit the email, contact support. Option 2. Contact customer support. Since email addresses are tied to security and identity, Trading 212 requires direct contact for email changes. Here's how. Email support at trading212.com from your registered email address. In your message, request to change your email and provide your full name, your account number, the new email address you'd like to use. They may ask you to verify your identity, such as a selfie with ID or answering security questions. Thank you for watching.